Travel is changing, and if you don't keep up, you might miss out on the future of adventure. Did you know that in 2024, over 50% of travelers are using smartphones to book and manage their entire trip? That's right, your phone is now your most powerful travel tool. But that's just the beginning. What if I told you that 30% of businesses now accept cryptocurrency, including for flights and hotels? Or that some countries are rolling out digital passports, meaning no more paper tickets or long security lines? Sounds like sci-fi, right? But it's happening. In this video, we're diving into the new rules of travel. From tech upgrades and eco-friendly destinations to the rise of digital currencies and work-from-anywhere retreats, the travel world is evolving faster than you think. Stick around, because we'll show you how to travel smarter, safer, and greener than ever before. Ready to unlock the future of travel? Let's go! Chapter 1. Tech-Savvy Travel. Unlocking the future with your smartphone, technology is revolutionizing the way we travel. If you're still using paper maps and traditional methods for booking flights, you're missing out. Your smartphone is your ultimate travel companion in 2024. From flight check-ins to hotel bookings and real-time translation, your phone is now the bridge to a seamless travel experience. Did you know that 60% of travelers book their trips using mobile apps? That's how crucial technology has become in travel. One must-have app for savvy travelers is Google Maps. Gone are the days of getting lost in a foreign city. With live traffic updates and walking directions, navigating new places is easier than ever. Plus, the app now integrates with Google Translate, breaking down language barriers with just a tap. Traveling abroad? Use Duolingo for learning essential phrases on the fly. It's fun, interactive, and helps you get by in any country. Then there's the rise of smart luggage. Away and Rimowa offer luggage that connects to your phone, tracking your bag's location in real time. With features like built-in charging ports and GPS tracking, losing your bag has become a thing of the past. According to a report by TechCrunch, the smart luggage market will reach $3.4 billion by 2027. Next, consider virtual passports and digital IDs. Countries like Estonia and Singapore have rolled out systems where you can travel with just your digital identity. These technologies are streamlining airport check-ins and reducing paper waste. Travel in the future will likely look like you've stepped into a sci-fi movie, with facial recognition and biometric scanners taking over customs lines. And don't forget about travel concierge apps like TripIt and Skyscanner. These apps analyze your preferences, suggest personalized activities, and book flights and hotels automatically. With data showing that travelers use 6 to 8 apps on average when planning a trip, these digital assistants are quickly becoming the go-to solution for hassle-free planning. Chapter 2. Eco-friendly escapes. The green travel revolution. Sustainability isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's becoming a travel necessity. As environmental awareness grows, the travel industry is shifting toward more sustainable practices. For example, did you know that flights contribute to about 2–3% of global CO2 emissions? Travelers are now making choices to reduce their carbon footprint, and businesses are taking notice. Eco-friendly hotels and resorts are no longer a niche. Major chains, including Marriott and Accor, have committed to sustainability by reducing water usage and adopting energy-efficient technologies. Green-certified accommodations are now more accessible than ever, and you can find them across all budget ranges. Websites like Green Key and EarthCheck can help you find accommodations that align with your values. Additionally, public transportation is making a comeback. Cities worldwide are expanding bike-sharing programs, electric buses, and eco-friendly trains. In Amsterdam, over 60% of locals use bicycles for daily commuting, and it's one of the top sustainable travel cities globally. In fact, studies show that travel by train emits 90% less CO2 than flying, making it a perfect alternative for short-distance travel. Meanwhile, eco-conscious travelers are flocking to nature reserves and national parks, where the tourism industry is adopting low-impact practices. The International Ecotourism Society reports that ecotourism is growing at a rate of 20% annually, meaning more travelers are seeking green destinations. So, whether it's hiking in Costa Rica or staying in a remote eco-lodge in New Zealand, ecotourism is thriving. As more countries enforce carbon offset rules, travelers are finding new ways to offset their own emissions. For example, the Carbon Offset Initiative lets you contribute to renewable energy projects every time you book a flight. It's one way to take action, even when flying remains a necessity. Travelers are also supporting eco-friendly companies. In 2023, studies showed that 72% of U.S. travelers said they were more likely to book with companies that demonstrate a commitment to sustainability. So if you're looking to book your next vacation, choose wisely and support brands that prioritize the planet. Chapter 3. The Post-Pandemic Passport, Health, Safety, and New Travel Protocols. The pandemic changed the way we view travel, and the impact is still felt today. Health and safety are now top priorities, with new rules in place to keep travelers safe. One of the most significant changes is the rise of digital health passes. The Common Pass is a great example of a digital health app that allows travelers to store COVID-19 test results and vaccination records. It's been adopted by over 60 airlines, streamlining the process at airports. Another game changer is the concept of contactless travel. From touchless check-ins to mobile boarding passes, technology is eliminating unnecessary contact points. For example, airports like Dubai International have introduced facial recognition technology for faster and safer boarding. Studies show that airports using biometric screening reduce wait times by up to 40%. Travel insurance has also evolved post-pandemic. With increased awareness of unforeseen events, travelers are opting for policies that cover COVID-related cancellations and medical emergencies. Travelers Insurance reports that 57% of travelers now consider purchasing pandemic-related coverage, up from just 20% before the pandemic. Quarantine and testing requirements are still in place for some destinations, and navigating these rules can be tricky. IATA, International Air Transport Association, is constantly updating the travel guidelines for countries with travel restrictions. This year, they predicted a 12% increase in international travel as more nations ease border policies, but each country still has unique entry requirements. On the other hand, remote travel and work from anywhere options have skyrocketed. The rise of digital nomad visas is one of the most notable changes. Countries like Estonia, Portugal, and Barbados have introduced long-term visas for remote workers, allowing them to stay and work for extended periods. This trend is reshaping global tourism, with more people working from their dream destinations rather than their home offices. Moreover, vaccination requirements are now part of international travel rules. In 2024, over 100 countries have implemented vaccine mandates for entry. Keeping track of these regulations is easier than ever, with websites like IATA Travel Center and Sherpa providing real-time updates on travel requirements. Ultimately, travelers are more informed than ever. With the new rules of health, safety, and digital health passes, navigating the post-pandemic travel world has become smoother, although staying updated is essential. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on the latest travel trends and tips. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Chapter 4. Money Matters. The Rise of Digital Currency for Travelers. The way we handle money while traveling is changing fast, thanks to the rise of digital currencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even government-backed digital currencies are starting to reshape how we spend abroad. If you're traveling to countries like Japan, Switzerland, or El Salvador, you might already notice that businesses are accepting cryptocurrency as payment. It's no longer just about traditional credit cards and cash. In fact, data from Cointelegraph suggests that 1 in 10 people in the US has used cryptocurrency for travel-related purchases. The trend is growing, especially as more travel companies, airlines, and hotels start accepting digital currency. For example, SheepAir, a major online travel agency, has been accepting Bitcoin for flight bookings since 2013. They reported a 50% increase in Bitcoin payments in 2023, proving that more travelers are shifting toward digital assets. The main advantage of using digital currency while traveling is avoiding high foreign exchange fees. Currency exchange at airports or hotels can often be costly, with up to a 10% markup. Cryptocurrencies bypass this issue, offering lower fees for international transfers and making payments faster and cheaper. For example, Revolut, a popular financial app, offers users the ability to send money internationally with no hidden charges, a feature many travelers are now taking advantage of. On top of that, using digital wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay has become mainstream. According to Statista, mobile wallet usage in the US is expected to reach over $1 trillion by 2025. For travelers, these apps are now accepted at countless international destinations, making them an easy, secure, and fast way to pay. The rise of digital currencies also brings a new level of security. When you pay using cryptocurrency, you don't have to share sensitive personal information like a credit card number. Blockchain technology ensures that your transactions are transparent yet secure. As digital currencies become more mainstream, more travel-related businesses will likely begin adopting them, leading to a more seamless travel experience for everyone. Chapter 5. Remote work retreats. Turn your next trip into a productive getaway. The traditional idea of a vacation is changing. With the rise of remote work, more people are blending work and travel. In fact, a recent survey by Upwork revealed that 73% of remote workers plan to travel while working in the next 12 months. Remote work retreats are now a booming industry, offering travelers the chance to work while enjoying new experiences. What's a remote work retreat? Think of it as a vacation, but with a dedicated space to work and a schedule that includes both productivity and relaxation. Locations such as Bali, Costa Rica, and even Iceland are becoming hotspots for remote workers. These places offer co-working spaces, fast Wi-Fi, and comfortable accommodations, making them perfect for those who want to blend business with pleasure. For example, Selena offers a network of co-living spaces that cater specifically to digital nomads. They provide everything from meeting rooms and high-speed internet to yoga classes and guided tours. According to Nomad List, over 30% of remote workers say they choose destinations with a strong digital nomad community, where they can network and collaborate with others. Another key trend in remote work retreats is bleisure, combining business and leisure in one trip. A 2022 Travel Leaders Group survey found that 30% of business travelers now extend their work trips for leisure purposes. More companies are allowing their employees to take advantage of this, offering extra time off to explore the destination once the workday is over. The demand for these retreats is growing. In 2023, Airbnb saw a 15% increase in bookings for workations compared to the previous year. The trend is becoming so popular that even traditional hotels are jumping on the bandwagon, offering remote worker packages that include discounts for extended stays and access to business amenities. Remote work retreats offer more than just an opportunity to escape. They also provide a unique chance to improve mental health and productivity. Studies from Harvard Business Review show that a change of scenery can increase creativity and reduce burnout. Whether it's the beaches of Mexico or the mountains of Switzerland, new environments can help you stay inspired and motivated while working remotely. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to subscribe for more travel tips and tricks.